Did you know one of the Bible's most shocking revenge stories involves a wedding proposal that turned into a massacre? This is the story of Dinah and her brother's terrible choice. Dinah was Jacob's only daughter among 12 sons. One day, a local prince named Shechem attacked her, but then something strange happened. He decided he wanted to marry her. His father came to Jacob's family asking for the wedding. Dinah's brothers Simeon and Levi were furious, but they pretended to agree. They had one condition: every man in the city had to be circumcised first. The men agreed, thinking this would bring peace and make them rich through marriage ties. But while the men were healing and couldn't fight back, Simeon and Levi struck. They killed every single man in the city and took everything: women, children, animals, treasure. When Jacob found out, he was horrified. His sons had used God's sacred sign as a trick for murder. Their desire for revenge had led them to commit an even greater evil.